your man, me see your baby picture full of. From your man, me see you walking.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new. My name is Just Nice. Hope you're having a nice day. Today we are going to be cooking with me because I don't know how to cook, but I'm going to show you how to cook. But with this quarantine, I'm learning. All these YouTube videos have really been helping me out, so I think I'm a master chef now. Might be signing up for that show next season when the quarantine's over. But let's see what I'm making. Shrimp and pasta with rosé sauce. So we're gonna call it shrimp rosé. So there's some raw shrimp here that I'm about to clean and season. So this is what the shrimp looks like, yeah. And then I'm gonna be using some pasta. Like I'm just using these pastas and these ones. I'm using pepper, some asparagus, some green onion, and if you're Jamaican, scallion, and I'm using green pepper, and I'm using some thyme because thyme for Jamaicans go in everything, so that's why we're using that too. And then we're gonna have another onion, and then we're gonna be using this classical rosé sauce. This. I like this brand because it tastes really good. So yeah. Let's get started. This is what my shrimp looks like, soaking and getting clean. There's lemon and there's vinegar inside of there. So I'm just going to rinse it off to get the rawness off. And then I'm just going to season it with some dry seasoning. Now I'm just peeling the shrimp. So, you know, like this. I'm taking off the skin. And then I'm going to take off the tail. And then I'm going to later, after I finish peeling all the shrimps, I'm going to scoop out all the poo and stuff inside of it. Because who wants that? Like devein, yeah, that's the word, sorry. But yeah, devein it. So yeah, just peel in. Yep, see? And that's what it looks. Okay. All the shrimps are peeled. It's time to do the deveining. Deveining. Yay. How you devein a shrimp is you just take this black line out and then devein. So it's time to do the rest. The shrimp are done, deveined, and ready to season. Now it's time for the seasonings. All-purpose onion powder. So I'm gonna use this chipotle paprika, black pepper, Himalayan sea salt, pink, whatever, salt. Going to cut my onions. I'm crying.
But you didn't cover your eyes for the onion?
It's time to cut the peppers. After cutting those onions, I was crying, so I had to go and put on some glasses to protect my eyes from all that onion stuff. So they're just here in this little container here, sealed up, because I can't take it. I just can't. I'm about to cut my orange pepper here and add that to another container. So this is how I do it. And oh, there's another pepper going inside this one. Cool. There's all my peppers cut up, so I'm just gonna cut them into smaller pieces now. So yeah. All my peppers cut up. So yeah, I'm just probably gonna cut these one more time like that, so that it's more smaller. But this is what they're looking like. I'm gonna be cutting my asparagus. So I was told to cut 1 inch off the bottom. So about this much, I think. Yeah, that looks like 1 inch. And I'm supposed to cut all these little thorns off. I don't know why, but comment down below if you do that too. I have my onions and my peppers, so I'm just gonna stir them around so that it can get brown. Give it flavor. I'm just gonna wait for these to cook down a little, and then I'm gonna add my shrimp. So now over here, I have my boiling water for my pasta. You can smell it through the phone, eh? So beautiful. Shrimp in my pot. Just stirring it around, making sure both sides are getting cooked, and flipping them. I'm just flipping them so they both sides get cooked evenly. That my onions and peppers are getting cooked too. Giving it a lot of flavor. And it's smelling good. And in here, I just have my pasta boiling. So, I put salt in the water, and see, it's bubbling. Just stir it so that they don't stick to the bottom of the pot. It's almost time to put the sauce in. Sorry guys, I forgot to press record, but I was saying this is my sauce here, and it's a little bit thick as you guys can see, so I'm just going to add some milk inside of it so that it can be a little bit thinner because I don't want it to be clumpy. So far I just put like 1 teaspoon, tablespoon. I'm just going to get a little bit more because we have a lot of pasta and shrimp. So then I'm just going to add the milk, and I'm just going to stir it around. Just a little. It's a little. It's good enough. And hold on guys, I just have to stir my pasta. I'm going to turn it down a little. Put it to 8. Sure. So I'm just stirring the sauce, as you guys can see, starting to thin out a little bit. I might need to add some more milk.
Two hours later.
Wait. Now I'm just gonna pour the sauce into the shrimps. So make sure I get everything. So it's well coated. You might need a little bit more sauce because it doesn't look like it's gonna go all the way stretched. Oh, well. As you can see, it's starting to get covered up. So I just turned the temperature down because it's a little too high, so I just put my stove on 5 now. But this is how the shrimp is looking, and my pasta. It's bubbling over there. I just have to stir that up. Make sure it doesn't stick to the bottom. At the sides and the bottom. And now I need to pour some more sauce in because it is a little too, it's still a little, you know? Just going to add it to my shrimps. Make sure you guys get everything. Don't want to waste. Okay. So now we just, stir it up. So this is very creamy. You're gonna add a little salt. Some pink, something salt. Don't know. Pink salt. And then we're gonna add a little pepper. Just a tad, because we don't want it too spicy. That's enough. Then we're just gonna mix those around. Because remember, guys, our shrimp was already pre-seasoned, so it's going to have lots of flavor. Oh. We almost forgot about our pasta. So now it's time to taste it to see if it's ready. So I'm just going to grab one of these. It's a little hot, so just make sure it cools. About 5 more minutes. So now we're just going to pour the pasta into our sauce and shrimp. So, just going to scoop little by little. Then I'm going to scoop it. Make sure. Then, we're going to stir it up. Make sure you got all the sauce and the shrimp mixed in with the pasta, okay? But for future reference, make sure you put a little pasta at a time. This is the finished look. So this is my pasta rosé with shrimp. And these are my asparagus. So I cooked these ones off camera, so you guys didn't get to see that, but this is how they turned out, and this is how the pasta turned out, and here is my lovely drink too. So there you go. That is dinner, guys. So that is it for this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed my quarantine cook with me. So comment down below if you guys want me to do more videos like this, or you want to see me cook something different. Put that down below. But thank you guys again for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. To be honest, guys, my food tastes really good, so I'm loving it. Bye.